Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So today, magluluto tayo ng shawarma rice. Last time, nagluto tayo ng shawarma in a wrap. Today naman, gagawin natin siya ng version with rice. Here are our ingredients. Of course, we will use beef. This one is sirloin beef. You can use other kind of meat like pork, chicken, and this one is beef. Pwede din naman ang minced beef or minced pork. And this one, ikakat pa natin siya later into tiny slices. And then, we have mayonnaise, soy sauce, liquid seasoning. Pwede siyang wala or meron. Pero dahil meron naman kami dito, nilagay na namin siya. And then, we have also oyster sauce. This is lemon juice. And then, honey. And then, garlic. Okay guys, so let's start cutting our meat. Medyo may dugo pa siya, pero binanlawan na namin siya kanina. And then, pwede na lang natin siya ulit mamaya banlawan. Pwede natin siyang i-cut like this. So now we're done cutting our meat. So this is how it looks like this or like this. It depends on you, but as long as it's thin, it's good to go. And then now we can transfer our meat to our mixing bowl. We can start now putting our ingredients from marinade. First one is soy sauce. This one is 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce for 500 grams of meat. You can use this one. Oyster, 1.5 tablespoon also of oyster sauce. And then our liquid seasoning. This one is just 1 tablespoon. Next is lemon juice. This is 1.5 also tablespoon. Then you can mix them first. After mixing them, we can add now our honey. 1 tablespoon of honey also. Then we have garlic. I use 1 whole garlic. After mixing them, we're almost done. We'll just add pepper. Our last ingredient, mayonnaise. This is half cup of mayonnaise. After mixing all our ingredients, then we can put them now in the container. This one. And now, here's our marinated beef. We can put it now in our fridge for about minimum of 8 hours. And so guys, ito na po ang result ng ating pagmamarinate ng ating beef. Bali na marinate namin siya for about 12 hours. And then, we can fry it na. Nag-ready na kami dito na ating pan na gagamitin with oil. And mainit na din siya, so pwede na natin siya ilagay. Okay guys, so now, ang gagawin na natin ay ang ating dressing or ang sauce. First, we have this mayonnaise. This is about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Then, next is, we have this yogurt. 1 tablespoon of yogurt. If wala po kayong yogurt, you can also use vinegar. And then we can add now our garlic powder. Pero syempre, pwede din naman po kayong gumamit ng chopped garlic. If mahilig kayo sa garlic, you can put as much as you want. And then we add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next is pepper. You can also add a pinch of salt. You just have to mix them well. Now guys, we're going to do the java rice. First, we have this leftover rice. Kasi madami naman tayo mostly na lamig na tira. We have here UFC Banana Ketchup. Kasi wala kaming anato, kaya ito na lang gagamitin namin instead. Kasi meron naman kami Turmeric Powder. And then, chopped garlic. And butter. So we can start now. Kasi mainit na ang ating pan. Lagay muna tayo ng mantika. Pati na ilagay ang ating butter. Next is garlic. Next is our turmeric powder. And our banana ketchup. It adds flavor din naman. So, ideal talaga siyang gamitin. And then, our kaning lamig. And pinch of salt. Then let's mix again. And our java rice is done and ready. And now let's do the plating.